everyone, this is the video for segment 1 scope 2 notebook. So this notebook you can find in your Google Classroom. Make sure to click on classwork, go down to notebook, segment 1 scope 2 digital notebook, and you will find your notebook right here. So again, you can use the digital or physical notebook option, is completely up to you. Alright, so let's go over one at a time in this video. In this video, if you want to fast forward to the slide that you are looking for, you can do that as well. So on the left of the screen right here, I have my notebook open, and on the right of the screen, I am going to go to my classroom stream right here on the top, because on my classroom stream, I also post a rubric, so you can follow the rubric as you go through your slide one at a time. So slide 2, again, make sure to write your name right here. Slide 3 is the table of contents. I post the table of contents on the bottom of your stream. So let's take a look. So right here are the dates for the odd period. Go ahead and pause here. And here are the dates for the even period. Alright. So again, feel free to pause this video, or if you need to rewind or go forward, you can do that as needed. Alright, now let's go to slide number 4. Slide number 4, again, this question is a question that we answered before the fall break. How can a single cell organism sustain life? What do they need to do to be alive? We know that cells are very small, they are microscopic. What does the cell have that is different from a virus that allow a cell to be alive and a virus is not alive? Slide 5. This is the 3D cell tour that we took, and in this cell tour, you take a look at the plant cells, animal cells, HIV virus, and a flu virus. And after looking at the cell and virus, you want to make 3 observations right here. Again, when it comes to observation, we are writing what you see. Okay, what shape do you see? What feature do you see on one cell that you didn't see in another cell? Or what feature do you see in cells that you don't see in virus? Okay, make sure to write 3 observations. If you need to take a look at the cell tour again, the link right here is posted on your screen. Slide 6, cell organelle scavenger hunt. So again, this activity, we take a look at slide 7 and 8 to look at different places where we find the principal's office is like the nucleus, the door is like cell membrane. So write down one sentence from what you learned from the scavenger hunt. If you want to take a look at the instruction video on the scavenger hunt again, you can click on this video right here. Slide 7 and 8, there's nothing we need to do right here. They are just slide for the scavenger hunt. Slide number 9, you write down one sentence on what you have learned from the BrainPop video. This video is no longer active, so please use the video that I post on stream instead. On slide number 10, we label the diagram based on the video. So again, right here we have the cell membrane, the nucleus in the center, all the different parts, we group them together to call them organelles, and the fluid inside the cell, that's cytoplasm. Slide 11, again, write down one thing you have learned from the Gizmo lab. You can also revisit the Gizmo lab right here. There is also the instructional video right here on how to complete the Gizmo lab. Slide 12, SCP simulation. That's the one that we look at healthy and unhealthy heart, kidney, and liver. So again, the simulation is on the STEMscope website. You can click right here if you want to take a look at the video again. Make sure to write down one sentence what you have learned or observed perform the simulation. Slide 13, content connection video. Again, go ahead and click on this link right here if you would like to rewatch the video. Slide 14, STEMscopedia. Go ahead and write down one sentence what you have learned or read from the article. So right here, there is the article in English and the article in Spanish. Slide 15, you chose one activity, one out of the 3 activity that you will complete. Again, this activity, they are all on the STEMscope website. Okay, so right here, if you want to take a look at the instruction video, go ahead and click on this link. Slide 16, okay, this is the optional slide, but completing this slide will give you 2 extra points for extra credit. So again, your notebook is of 25 points, but if you complete all the slides, including the study guide, that would get you 27 out of 25 points. Or that would give you above a point in case you have something missing on another slide. Again, you can review the week 3 day 2 video if you want to take a look at the study guide again. And last but not least, slide 18. Slide 18, you are going to revise your answer. Again, this is a question, the same question as slide number 4 at the very beginning. You will revise your answer and answer this question one more time based on what you have learned in this scope. Make sure to cite at least one evidence based on what you have learned in this scope. For example, from the BrainPop video, I have learned, or from the STEMscopedia article, I have learned such and such. And thus, you wanted to relate back to this answer that you have. Okay, what made you think that that this is a correct answer? Okay, was there a specific part in the article, the lab, or the video that you have learned about certain function of the cells or certain parts of the cell organelle? Make sure to include the evidence. With that, please let me know if you have other questions. Have a great day. Bye-bye.